Hello and welcome back to day 10 of this 11-part abundance series. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you've been following along the whole time, we're almost there. If you are just tuning in, then you have found this at the perfect time for you. So for those of us who are new, what I've been doing every single day is pulling an abundance card from the Angels of Abundance Oracle card deck by Doreen Virtue. And sometimes I pull some other cards to give clarification or additional guidance. After we talk about the daily energy, we then do a 5-minute Reiki energy healing session that helps us in whatever ways that we need that day. And it's also sent for your intentions just to give you that little energetic assist to really manifest this abundance in your life. And I know I've been saying this almost every video, but even though this is put out in 11 consecutive days, go about this at your own pace. It does not mean that you have to do everything for 11 consecutive days. You take as long as you need and listen to your inner guidance. So if you don't already know me, my name is Rachel and I am an energy healer and a card reader. And if you've not yet taken advantage of the MP3 energy healing download, the link to that is below. It's just on my website, ReikiWithRachel.com, and you can also find information about personal energy healing sessions, personal card readings, twin flame readings, and energy healings, a whole bunch of good stuff there. Okay. So we're almost there. This is day 10. Day 10 in numerology, or the number 10 in numerology, is a completion number. It condenses back down to 1 again. So it's like we completed a cycle and we're really ready to manifest something new. And so it makes perfect sense why we got this card today. Abundance mindset. And I just want you to look at this picture. I apologize for those of you who don't know. I'm on my webcam because Mercury retrograde just is kicking my butt with the technology. So, but look at this picture. All of her chakras, she has all this energy. Looks like all of her chakras are aligned. They're shining bright. Her crown chakra is just illuminating. It's expanding. It's this flower, and she's just pouring abundance into her reality, and it's all coming from her higher self, from this mindset. And this is what we're really being encouraged to do today. And let me read the card to you. If you think of your abundance as something that happens in the future, then it will always be one day from you. See, feel, think, and speak of abundance as something you already have in the present moment, and that is what you will experience. And if you celebrate Thanksgiving, and you're watching this whenever I originally put it out, we all know it's Thanksgiving time, and even if you don't celebrate Thanksgiving and you are not watching this during Thanksgiving, it's the perfect day to express gratitude. I mean, truly express gratitude for what you have in your life, and just look at the abundance around you. We are so used to focusing on lack, to getting frustrated when we look at our bank accounts, getting frustrated whenever we look at our closet and we want something new to wear, or we look at our furniture and it's not what we want, or our living space, or our car. How much of our time is spent looking around our lives and thinking of how we want more and how we're not happy with what we have? The first step of this abundance mindset is to allow yourself to feel abundant now. And the easy way to do that is through gratitude. Just taking a moment. Let's take a moment right now and just think of 3 things that you're grateful for in your life. 3 ways that you feel abundant. Can be in your relationships, in your sense of humor, in your self-development, in what you do have that a lot of people aren't able to afford. the food that you have in your fridge, in your cabinets, the computer or tablet or phone that you're watching this on. Let's try and just really foster that mindset today. And then the second piece of this energy is fostering the sense of abundance, like feeling like you are abundant, like you have manifested all the abundance in your life right now. This is acting as if, this is thinking as if, this is today, dress in the best clothes that you have, like not inappropriately, don't wear an evening gown to family dinner, but wear something or put something together where it makes you just feel like you have a lot. Clean your car out. Even if you don't like your car, clean it out and make it smell good. The same with your house. Make it smell good or look good. Like, just try and foster this sense. Do affirmations and meditations where you are feeling abundant now. And this is only going to attract this to you. Now, I pulled some other cards for clarification. One is from the Energy Oracle card deck by Sandra Ann Taylor. And the card that we got was Rest and Rejuvenate. You can see that he's taking time just to go within. And as he's doing this, he is just fostering this high vibrational energy. He's surrounded by it. And that's something else to be grateful for, is you have an abundance, a never-ending supply of universal energy that you can call on at any single moment. And we experience this truly when we go into meditate or when we get an energy healing session. Like, all I'm doing when I do an energy session is I just channel this. And sometimes people don't feel it, or they don't experience what they think they're going to experience. And the reason for that, and I'm not trying to place blame on anybody, because this can happen on such an energetic or subconscious or karmic level, the reason for that is because we block it off. It's not because it's not there, it's not being channeled, it's not abundant for you when we open ourselves up to receive it. It's because on some level we're cutting ourselves off from it. So the more you can open yourself up and get in the practice of opening yourself up to this energy, and it just doesn't have to be through energy healing, it's any form, calling on your angels, guides, going into that meditation and saying that you are open and receptive to receive this energy, and then just focus on opening yourself up for it. What this does is it opens yourself up for all types of energy. So unconditionally loving energy channeled through other people. Abundance energy that's manifested in the form of money and wealth and houses, an abundance of fulfillment energy. Like, it's all energy. So the cards today are encouraging you to open yourself up and allow it to come in. Set the intention to bring it in and know that there is a never-ending supply. And that's how all abundance is. It is out here for us. There is absolutely no shortage of abundance in any form in this universe, in this world. It's just us overcoming a lot of karmic patterns, overcoming a lot of mindset blocks, physical blocks, energetic blocks, to be able to fully open ourselves up to receive it. A second piece of that is, if you're feeling burnt out in any regard, if you've been trying really hard to make something work and you're feeling burnt out, take a little bit of time to go within, to meditate, to get your energy right, and feel abundant no matter what the outside world is telling you. Like, just take a little break from the material stuff and go within and foster that energy. And that's going to kind of be like the reset button. There's just, if you're feeling burnout, it's not for everybody. So I pulled 2 additional cards from the Archangel Gabriel deck by Doreen Virtue. And we got the Deserving card. And we got the Authenticity card. These 2 cards together are telling you that you deserve this. You, who you are, right now, who you are, deserves this abundance. You are not any less worthy than somebody who can afford to take these trips or buy certain things or have this fulfilling career or this loving partnership. That's why you got the deserving and the authenticity. Like, you deserve it for who you are, for the gifts that you have. Open yourself up. Love yourself. Love who you are. Foster this deserving. Know that your ideas are perfect for you. You are divinely guided. You are always being divinely guided in ways that you can use your gifts, your skills, your beautiful uniqueness to bring things to this world that nobody else can in the way that you are able. So when you keep this abundance mindset and we're acting as if it is, you are being reminded that it is you as you are right now who deserves this and who is capable of manifesting it. Don't think that, the person that you are 10 years from now is the person who's going to deserve it. No, you do right now. How can you foster that energy within you? Okay, so let me go ahead and do this energy healing session. I'm going to flow to you high vibrational energy for your abundance to open yourself up and I encourage you, just open yourself up to receive this. And then let go and know that it's here. Know that you don't have to do anything else on your part. That's the beauty of it. You don't have to work really hard or strive to get this energy. It is here for you. So open yourself up and just enjoy it. I'm going to set my timer, do some symbols to connect with your energy. You know the drill if you've been following along. And I'll check in 5 minutes. I'm just going to wipe off your arc field now of anything you may have released during that session. Wipe mine off. Disconnect, so be it, and so it is. Thank you so much. So we want to also give thanks to the universe and to this universal energy. We're so grateful that it is abundant and that it is so giving to us whenever we need it. We want to express gratitude to our guardian angels, to our guides, all the archangels, light beings, ascended masters, Father, Mother, God, the infinite source, spirit. Thank you so much for everything that you do for us. Thank your higher self for all the guidance that it takes from these higher beings and gives to you through intuitions. Be grateful for who you are in this very moment. And I'm grateful for you. I'm grateful for everybody who tunes in and shares your love and your light with me and everybody else who's on this journey, just by sharing it with this world. Okay. I will see you tomorrow for the final day. I think I'll probably do a little bit of a longer reading to see where we are and where we're going to go moving forward. And just thank you again from the bottom of my heart. Love and light.